In a flashy campaign graphic published by ZANU-PF Mashonaland West Province this week, President Emmerson Mnangagwa promises to make Zimbabwe Africa's breadbasket again. Yet, beneath the glossy propaganda lies a harsh and unrelenting reality. Since Mnangagwa's emergence on the political scene in the 1970s, Zimbabwe's agricultural and economic systems have not only failed to recover, they have plummeted into chronic collapse. Kana pana mashoko amdanyi kwa pana patuna tumfamili unyika ubuda chara achiti kukansela kuma 2028 elections kuna kucha restore Zimbabwe's 1976 United Nations breadbasket economy. But go subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tendra mbele amdanyi rachiti, the latest poster embezzled with the slogan Zimbabwe will be the Africa's breadbasket again features Mnangagwa donning a clerical looking coat and a cap, projecting himself as a visionary. We are ensuring that our endeavors across the various sectors of the economy are contributing to the attainment of Vision 2030. However, for Zimbabweans and global observers alike, this declaration is not only misleading, it is a visionarist delusion that defies decades of lived evidence. Emmerson Mnangagwa, who joined the liberation struggle in 1977, not as a field commander but as a special branch infiltrator, has been widely accused of being a disruptive force. Former First Lady Grace Mugabe publicly declared that Mnangagwa killed and liquidated his own comrades, a claim echoed in the 2019 press conference held by Zimbabwe National Liberation War Veterans Association leaders who accused him of betrayal and being a fake revolutionary. Thomas kwakuonekwa panguva ino mtungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe exposewa achinzi aiwa haukamu kuti vangada kuti nyika yeZimbabwe through cancelling ma 2028 elections kuti tingazoona Zimbabwe ichionekwa aiwa seAfrica or UNC breadbasket economy. Iko kaionekwa kunzi kubva 1976 1977 wakapinda aiwa muZimbabwe kana muthe liberation war kunyange zvakanga siri a field combatant. Panguva ino kunyazonekwa kunzi ndopataka kukolapsa the economy yeZimbabwe. Bida kuma section medu muzavafungiro ini muri kudiwa pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.